Hello and welcome. Today we're going to talk about insurance. Now, what is insurance? Insurance is basically something to protect you when an unexpected life event comes up. And so insurance companies will help you pay for very expensive life events. Now, in return, you will have to pay them monthly. And there are all different types of insurance, ranging from car insurance to homeowners insurance to medical insurance, but we will get through that. So, what's the point of paying insurance? The point is so that way, if something unexpected happens, you are covered and you won't need to worry about paying an extra $50,000 out of nowhere. And insurance companies make money from your monthly payments. They spread the risk out over a ton of clients so that way they can profit from you. So, one thing you should note too is you should have insurance over not. Because, like this says here, it's better to pay $90 a month than $40,000 later. You can do the math later, but it's much cheaper. Now, you can get insurance for your cars. Now, keep in mind that your insurance for your car rate may vary depending on if you have any speeding ticket violations, how safe of a driver are you, the age of the driver. If you're older or if you're a young driver, the rates are higher. Where you live. If you live in a city or suburban area, you'll typically be charged more. The type of car. Is it a safe car? And miscellaneous things. So if you have a higher rate, you might be able to reduce it by taking a safety class. So do keep this in mind. These all affect your insurance rate. There are more variables, but we're not going to get into them. Here are some more types of insurance. So there's collision insurance for cars, where if you get into an accident, it covers the repairs to your car. Comprehensive insurance covers damage to your car that is not from an accident, such as damage from a falling branch. Liability insurance is in case you cause an accident. It pays for the damage and medical costs of the people you hit. And then uninsured coverage. It pays for repairs in case that someone you crash into does not have insurance. Now, there are other types of insurance, which is disability insurance, where if you're injured or can't work, they can pay 40 to 60% of your salary. Now, this may be short term or long term. Just make sure you're part of the program. And then there's life insurance. In case somebody dies or in case you die, then your family or your beneficiary is provided with money in order to get them through the tough times and cover the funeral expenses. You can get life insurance for certain periods of time, 10, 20, 30, or longer. And when you are younger, the insurance is cheaper. And there's renter's insurance, where if you are renting, if something is stolen, damaged, or lost, or there's some act of God, then you are covered for that. And probably the most important one is medical expenses, where if you are hurt or get sick or something unexpected happens, this can cover you. Now, keep in mind that medical costs are sky high in America, so it's very important to make sure you are covered because, like it says, many people will become bankrupt just from getting sick in this country. And for certain insurances, they have a deductible. What this means is that you need to pay a certain amount, and then the insurance will take care of the rest. So let's say you get into an accident that causes $50,000 worth of damage. If your deductible is $1,000, then your insurance will you pay $1,000, then your insurance will cover you for the rest. Now, keep in mind that when it comes to medical expenses, there are a lot of options. You can stick with your parents' insurance. You can choose the state insurance, and there are other types of insurances as well. And then when it comes to insurance cost, the amount per month is just the sticker price. There's typically a lot of small little payments here or there, like co-payments or co-insurance that you will need to take into account of. So do keep that in mind when choosing your insurance. And with that being said, thank you for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day and make good choices. Make good choices.